Hello, this is Dr. Casella, and I'd like to show you two different ways that you can use the Python idle program. First thing is you have to know when you load Python onto your computer, you need to know where that program was located. I'm on a Mac, so if I go into Finder, Applications, as you can see here, I've got Python 3.5. I've also got Python 2.7. I asked you to load Python 3.6, but that's okay. It's the same idea. Here's the idle program. If we double click, we see that we get this Python shell to appear. If I click in the window and then hit enter, then you can see we've got the three greater than signs. And within that window, I can start typing Python commands and the shell will execute them. For example, I can type the print command, where I type print, I type a parenthesis, I type a quote, I type the word hello, I put a space and type the word world, so hello world, end quote, end parentheses, and if I hit enter, it displays hello world. If I want excuse me, if I wanted to do a calculation like 3 plus 4, I just type in 3 plus 4 and enter. Hit 7. If I want to raise a number to a power like 8 raised to the third power, I type in 8 asterisk asterisk. The double asterisk is for exponentiation. So I put 8 raised to the third power, hit enter, get 512. If I want to take the square root of 16, that's equivalent to having 16 raised to the 1/2 power. So I have 16 asterisk asterisk. Excuse me. So I have 16 asterisk asterisk 0.5. That's 16 raised to the 1/2 power, or the square root of 16, which is 4. Now, that's typing it directly into the shell. Well, what the idle program also allows you to do is if you click up here on File, and then you say New File, now it gives you this pad that you can type in. So I could type in print hello world, end quote, in parentheses, just like I did before, hit enter, right? Then I can have it do other things. Like I can say, if I wanted to print parentheses, and let's just say 3 plus 4, enter, and then I can also have it print parentheses 8 asterisk asterisk 3 end parentheses, and I can have it print 16 asterisk asterisk 0.5. Alright, and then now let's say I wanted these are the commands I wanted to execute. So I could type them into this space here and then execute them. So I hit run, and I say run module, and it says source must be saved. Is it okay to save? So I say okay. It's asking me what I want to call it. I'm just going to call it untitled. I'll just call it test. I'll just type in test. It'll be stored as test.py in my documents folder. So you want to make sure you know where you're saving it. So I'll hit save, and there it executed. The 3 commands one after another. So that's 2 ways to do it. There's one, you can do it quick, checking commands in the Python shell over here, or by going into File, New File, it'll generate a new sheet like this that you can type them in. But what's nice about this is you can make changes. So if I wanted to say, instead of saying hello world, let's suppose I want to say hello Bob. And so I just change world to Bob, but all the other stuff I want to leave the same. So then we'll do a run module. It'll ask me if I want to save it. I say okay, and there. And so now it redid it, but here it displayed hello Bob instead. Okay. So that's, you want to be familiar with using the IDLE software. And just to recap, there are two ways to do that. There's the shell, where you could run one program at a time. And then there's the file, new file, which will generate a sheet where you can actually put all your little commands here. And this is really where you would be making a program and saving your program in Python. Okay, goodbye.